In this lesson 24, in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity book, we introduce a moisture detector circuit. It is an electronic circuit that will test the moisture content in the earth around a plant to see if it is time to water. The way it works is you put two wires from the circuit into the earth and the LED will start to blink. The faster the blinking, the more moist is the soil. So if it blinks fast, there is no need to water the plant. The schematic diagram for the moisture detector circuit is shown on the lower right-hand side of the page. It has some of the schematic symbols that you were taught in earlier lessons of this STEM activity book. You may remember from lesson 11 that a 555 timer IC can be used to make LEDs blink. This circuit was designed by engineers using the 555 timer IC to make LEDs blink according to the moisture in the soil around a plant. On page 24, you see that the artist shows the Mr. Circuit robot using its hands to sense moisture. In this case, it is a large raindrop. At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, here is a moisture detector circuit using 3 resistors, an LED, a 555 timer IC, and 2 capacitors. Please draw a circle around the schematic symbol of the 555 timer IC on the schematic diagram at the bottom right-hand side of the page. Here are some important things that you were taught in this lesson. 1. What components are used to make this moisture detector circuit? 2. That this moisture detector circuit uses a 555 timer IC to make LEDs blink at different rates depending on how much moisture is in the soil around the plant. And 3. How to spell and pronounce moisture detector circuit. To finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 24. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.